I've been using the Mettle Business Account throughout 2025, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually a smart choice for small businesses and freelancers in the UK. Mettle is a free app-based business bank account backed by NatWest, designed specifically for sole traders and small limited companies. It's completely digital, and the sign-up process is surprisingly smooth. One of its biggest strengths is that it's totally free. No monthly fees, no transaction charges, which is rare to find in the business banking space. The app itself is clean and easy to use, offering helpful features like invoice creation, expense tracking, and the ability to set up tax pots to stay financially organized. It also integrates well with accounting tools like FreeAgent and Xero, making bookkeeping far less of a headache. But it does have its limitations. You can't deposit checks, there's no support for international transfers, and the account is only available to UK-based businesses with up to 2 owners. Also, there are no overdraft options or credit facilities, which might be a deal breaker if your business needs access to flexible funding. And while the account technically supports limited companies, only one director can manage it. So if you're looking for multi-user access, this isn't it. That said, if your business is relatively straightforward and you just want a reliable, no-fee digital account that does the basics really well, Mettle gets the job done. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.